Hello everyone, today I will show you how to convert a PDF file to PNG image format using Wondershare PDF element. Open your PDF file with Wondershare PDF element. Now select convert option in this top menu bar, and here you will find this PDF to image option. Select this one, and this output format box, click this down arrow and scroll down. Here you will find this PNG option. Also select this PNG, and this setting option. Select. Here you can change image quality. You can keep original on, or you can change here and make it original. And each image of the PDF has separate image. Extract all images in the PDF and so on. And this custom page range and make it default and OK. And output folder you can select SSB folder or same source folder and select. Finally select OK. A PDF file converting and finish. Open folder. This is the PNG images and see this PNG format. This one also. Check this one and see this. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.